Dear loved ones, to my lady of joy, my only one, to parents and family, to friends and community, I lived hoping for better. I thought I can solve this matter. I had no idea they'll end by a letter. These are my last words, but not last now. I wish for you all to let me go, to allow me to go where there's no pain, to find closure because foe won't see me again. Forgive me, I want my pain to be at ease. Forget about my mistakes so that I can rest in peace. The world is better without my aggressiveness. I had no choice, being alive was useless. If I chose life, I was going to suffocate. I just want nobody to blame and equate. The love you gave me was consummate. Let me go and forget the rest. Let me go so that I can rest. Goodbye, my beautiful lady, my parents and family. Suicide letter. Yours in writing. Poet Mwima. I thank you.